So here's the GE French door refrigerator water filter change video. And here's the water filter location. So here's the water filter. All you need to do is to just pull that out and then turn it to the left. I mean, counterclockwise, and you can then pull out the filter. So that's it. That's very easy. And then you just, I I bought this. I bought the replacement at the Amazon at Amazon.com. So just make sure you know the model number and check it out before you purchase. And to replace the filter, you just push it back in, and make sure you don't just close it out like that. Just make sure you turn the filter clockwise before you close. After that, you can just then test and make sure that you've installed it properly. You know it is installed properly when the water flows um, after. And then run the water at least maybe 3 or 4 glasses before you drink them. So throw away like the first 3 or 4 glasses. But that's it, very easy. And again, this is the GE French door refrigerator. And here is where I bought it from. And this is, if you want to look it up at Amazon or anywhere. Um, right now it's running for $47. But that's it. Really easy, and it took like at least less than 2 minutes, and it's done.